Students, in this video we will discuss some objective types of questions related to social science history part. Very important questions these are for the students of SEBA and CBSE. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel Indra Coaching Classes and like this video. If you have any queries, any questions, write your questions in the comment box. I will try to satisfy you. First question, who said United Bengal is a big force, the partition will destroy this unity? This was said by Herbert Risley. This was said by Herbert Risley, and he wrote this line um, in a letter to Lord Curzon, and Lord Curzon's tenure is during his tenure partition of Bengal was done and anti-partition movement started. Therefore Risley wrote this line, United Bengal is a big force and partition will destroy this force. Thank you. Next question is what is the first peasant uprising against the British in Assam known as? The first peasant uprising started in Assam in 1861 and it is known as Phulaguri Dheva. The people of Taiwa community started this peasant revolt and they were partly successful also. Next, it happened, it took place in 1861, peasants revolt of Phulaguri Dheva. Next is number 3, name the only Assamese person participated in Dandi March. You know, Dandi March started in 1930 and with this march the famous civil disobedience movement started. In this famous march, only person of Assam participated was Liladhar Barua, and that time he was a student. He participated in it. Thank you. Next question, the British Prime Minister. Name the British Prime Minister who announced communal award in 1932. It was announced, communal award was announced by British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald. When was Purna Swaraj Divas celebrated? For the first time in India, Purna Swaraj Divas for the first time in India was celebrated on 26th January 1930, and this decision was taken in the Lahore session of the INC, in which President was Jawaharlal Nehru was the president of that conference, that session. Which organization took initiative for the publication of Hemkosh? It is Asamiya Bhasha Unnati Sadhani Sabha. This organization, a literary organization, took initiative for the publication of Hemkosh. Next is, who composed the song Bande Mataram? The song Bande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who composed Naam Ghosha? You know, Naam Ghosha was composed by Srimant Madhav Dev, and Shankar Dev composed Kirtan Ghosha. This is one question. When was Rowlatt Act passed? Rowlatt Act was passed in 1919, and this act is related with this year is also related with Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Next is, when did Cabinet Mission come to India? The Cabinet Mission came to India in 1946. The Cabinet Mission came to India in 1946, and the proposal it gave was, it proposed for the formation of Constituent Assembly for writing Indian Constitution and also an interim government. Next, when did Cabinet, who celebrate the festival Chap Char Kut? The people, Mizo people celebrate the festival Chap Char Kut. Actually, this festival was started in 1972 to revive the traditional cultural belief and customs of the people of Mizoram. Then Mizo people celebrate Chap Charkut. Name the mouthpiece, name the preface of Assam Chhatra Sammelan. Preface mouthpiece. Assam Chhatra Sammelan had the preface named Milan. Next question is Herbert. Next. Then these are the questions. These are the questions. We have 12 questions, and I think you will understand it, prepare it for the forthcoming examination. Thank you. Have a nice time.